So here's how to add images in Adobe Photoshop. So first you want to create your template and set the size for it. Now once your template is created, the easiest way is to drag the images directly. So for example, I have these three images on my desktop. So I want to drag them and drop them into Photoshop directly. And like that, it can import the image. You can also click on the arrow here to confirm. And you can do the same for multiple images. You can drag and drop them and wait for it to import the image. Then don't forget to press that checkbox to be able to import more images. And like that, you can import any images you want, and they should be each one in a different layer. What you can do as well is click on the file on the top here, click open, and then go to desktop and select the image that you want to import. So for example, this image right here. Now you can click on edit copy, select the image like that, unlock the background, and then click on copy, or you can click Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy it, and then go back to your main Photoshop file or layer, and then click on it and then click Ctrl V to paste it, and like that you've pasted it from the imported image. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.